Samsung all set to launch Galaxy S25 FE tomorrow. Samsung Galaxy S25 FE retail box, hands-on and color options leaks. It's come in navy, jet black, white and icy blue, flat sides, flat display, and flat back, with a camera setup in the top left of the phone. A 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display is widely expected, larger than the base Galaxy S25. A 120Hz panel for fluid scrolling, gaming, and smoother animations. The handset boasts a 50MP main camera with OIS, a 12MP ultrawide, an 8MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom and OIS, a 12MP selfie camera. Galaxy S25 FE will feature the Exynos 2400 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of storage. The S25 FE is expected to launch with Android 16 and One UI 8 out of the box. Battery size: a 4900 mAh battery with support for 45W wired and 15W wireless charging. US prices for the Galaxy S25 FE, $650 for the 128GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.